In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Payhip account. Whether you're simplifying your online presence or no longer need the services of Payhip, closing your account is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Payhip homepage. To do this, open up your web browser and log into your Payhip account. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the dashboard, which is your main hub for all account activities and settings. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see an option labeled Account. Go ahead and click on this. The Account section is where you manage your personal information and settings, so it's crucial to start here when making significant changes like closing your account. Once you've clicked on Account, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account, such as billing, notifications, and more. Now, on the settings page, look for the Login Settings option. Click on it and you'll be directed to a new page. The Login Settings page is essential because it contains all the options related to your account's security and login details, which is where you'll find the option to delete your account. On the Login Settings page, you will see several tabs. Find and click on the one labeled Account. This tab will display specific account-related settings, including the option to delete your account should you choose to do so. Finally, you will see the Delete Account option. Click on this to proceed with closing your Payhip account. Payhip may ask you to confirm your decision, as this action is irreversible. Make sure to review any final details and consider any backups of important data you might need before you go ahead. And there you have it. Your Payhip account will be closed once you complete these steps. Remember, once your account is deleted, all your data, including sales history and products, will be permanently removed, so ensure that you've saved everything you need before proceeding. I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with closing your Payhip account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides and tech tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.